Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can import bookmarks and other browsing data from web browsers to DuckDuckGo, like for example from Google Chrome or Brave browser, Opera, and so on and so forth in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to the DuckDuckGo web browser. I'm going to open it on my desktop computer, and there are several approaches to this. One option would be to open a new tab. And if you haven't customized your home screen in the new tab yet here on DuckDuckGo, you may see these next steps suggestions, probably if you just have installed or downloaded DuckDuckGo web browser. And you will see this suggestion here by DuckDuckGo suggesting that one of the next step might be to import bookmarks. So you can do that by clicking into this button, or alternatively, guys, if you don't see that notification, navigate to these three lines in the top right, and what you want to do here, guys, is navigate to your history, for example, or you may navigate also to the bookmarks tab here, and from there navigate to import bookmarks, for example, from let us take a look at the available browsers. So click into that drop-down menu here and choose one of these: Brave, Chrome, Edge, or Mozilla. And after that, let me go with Brave, for example. Select the part of data you would like to import by clicking into these checkboxes, passwords or bookmarks. Select Next. And then the import will be complete, which in this case here is 4 bookmarks for Brave. That's it. Now you can show or display the bookmarks bar and navigate to these imported bookmarks or favorites here. That's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.